paano ko ito ubusin? Parang good for 3 to 4 person to. Daming gwapo dito guys. These are the names of those who died during the 9/11 attack. Morning. So we're going to the city, to the High Line, guys. I'm with Alu. So first time namin gagala together.
Yeah, so
hindi ako masyado nakapag-video simula kanina, pero nag-breakfast lang naman kami. May mga photos ako. Kasi ito, pupunta lang kami ng city for the High Line, lunch, and some walking. Yan lang. 9/11 or what else kung ano pa yung pwede namin makita along the way. So yun lang. So ito, kita mga buildings oh. Yeah. And may mga public art installation din everywhere. Like this cube, that one, and this one. Guys, masarap yung chicken over rice. Guaranteed. So this is the pathway going to World Trade Center, guys. Ay, ang ganda ng building na yun. Yung parang pinagpatong-patong na Jenga. Ayun o, yung hindi pantay-pantay. What's that?
I don't know.
Parang patong-patong na Jenga. This is one out of the many na nasa list ko, guys. My passport is expiring 9/11, guys. Okay, let's see what's inside, guys. Oh, nice! Para ko lang sa gitna ng ano, ng balya na purong tinik. This is nice. Oculus. Shops to, no? Mall to? Mall? It's a shopping mall.
Train to Jersey.
Hi! So this is the 9/11 site, guys. The memorial, the fountain. Just outside the World Trade Center. So we're here at the fountain. These are the names of those who died during the 9/11 attack. This is where the other tower is. I'm in Chelsea. Pwede tayo? So we're still in Chelsea Market. We ordered the Korean ramen and then now we're looking for something to drink. I'll get the drink for us. So we got some onigiri, guys. Yes. Hindi ko alam na pwede pala yung no-tip. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun. Lagi ako nagtitip pag bumibili ako kasi hindi ko alam. We got the Joey Bats pastel de nata. It's egg tart. In front of Chelsea is the Google's office. Look, nice. It's nice.
Party place.
Oh, okay. Dito yung mga bars.
Yeah.
Yung mga party people. This is the place for party people. Mga party people dyan, oh. Instead of demolishing the whole structure, ginawa nilang park. So that is Pier 57. We were there 2 days ago. I didn't know. Highline is just here. And so hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng rooftop doon. So now we're going to Hudson Yard. Walking all the way to the end of Highline. So nasa Highline pa rin kami, guys. Look at this apartment. It's nice. Ang ganda ng apartment. Si Betty Boop ba yan? Kala ko alter ego ni Betty Boop eh. So guys, we're now here at the vessel here in Hudson's Yard. So saan dito? Akit tayo? Ang ganda oh. Marge, look. Ang ganda. Tinamis mo. Marge was about to go here pero hindi nga sila umabot. So ito yung the vessel. So yan. Open na siya for public. Pero nagpicture lang kami. Punta kami ng mall. Bibili si Alu ng regalo sa kanyang husband. Hello, so it's a Sunday afternoon, it's raining, and I'm just heading out to the city. So papunta ako ngayon ng bus station, papuntang ferry, mag-ferry tayo papuntang city ulit. And 2 o'clock na ng hapon. So ngayon pa lang tayo lalabas kasi naglaba pa ako. So update ko kayo later mamaya pa nasa city na tayo. Medyo mahirap mag-video kasi nga umuulan and nakapayong ako. So bahala na later. I'm walking, going to Chinatown, maybe 15 to 20 minute walk. I'm not sure of what to see also. So let's see it together, guys. I'm walking, guys, along Lower Manhattan, and it's election week. I forgot. So election started yesterday. So tumigil na yung ulan, guys. But it's cold. So parang mali na nag-shorts ako and no jacket. Ang lamig. It's so malamig. Like really malamig. This is Hopkins, guys. But there's no queue. I'm surprised. And there's a long queue in Wohop. So I'll go to Hopkins since this is the most recommended. I don't know why there's no line. So I just ordered, guys, and look, super laki. So paano ko ito ubusin? Like how? Parang good for 3 to 4 person to. Oh my god. Anyway, let's try. Yung kinain ko, guys, is $60. Nalugugulat ako. Wala na-expect ko naman. Pero parang sobrang, hindi ko inisip na yung ganun kadaming presyo. Na yung ganun presyo is for family. Ang dami talaga ng serving ngayon. Na-take out ko pa siya. And masarap naman, so it's okay. Tsaka once in a lifetime lang naman siya. So no deal. So we'll walk along here. Going to Little Italy, guys. Welcome to Little Italy, guys. There. This Chinatown in New York feels like I'm in Hong Kong. Really, yeah. Super Hong Kong feels yung Chinatown dito sa New York. Ang ganda ng vibes dito, guys. I'm now on my way to Washington Park. Pero umuulan na naman, so bad trip. And lumalakas yung ulan, guys. So, paano gagawin? Actually, itong block na to is puro NYU offices, buildings, and all. So, lahat NYU, like the bookstore, the boarding house, so parang ganon. So, I'm now going inside the Washington Park. We're here in the middle of the park. May nakaharang na bato sa gitna. Cherries. Hinarang talaga nila yun dyan, guys. So this is NYU. Daming gwapo dito, guys. So we're now walking back to the station, going to Flatiron Building. And bad trip kasi umuulan nga. Let's try, guys, to see what's inside the 2nd Street. It's a famous second-hand store. So check natin kung ano meron doon. So nandito na tayo sa Madison area for the Flatiron Building. Pero I think ginagawa siya, or not sure. Kasi ito ba yun? So nasaan? Itong ginagawa. Feeling ko lang ito yun, ha? Feeling ko. But I'm not sure. And then ito yung park. Kasi yung original na Shake Shack. So dyan tayo pupunta. Yeah, there at my back is the Flatiron Building. So may Pride area doon. At nandiyan ako ng Pride March. Cool, no? Yung first Pride ko is in New York. I'm in a small park opposite with a good view of the Flatiron Building. This is on the 5th Avenue. I'm enjoying New York and I'm planning to extend. I'm planning to extend for maybe 5 years. Joke. 5 days siguro. Guys, naiihina ko. Ito na naman yung problema ko. Walang toilet. So this is what's inside the Madison Square, the Madison Garden. So yun yung original Shake Shack store, the first one, and the fountain. Guys, nasa ferry na tayo pa uwi sa Rockaway. Walang tigil yung ulan eh, putol-putol, tuloy-tuloy, putol-putol, tuloy-tuloy, so walang tigil. So nag-decide ako na umuwi na lang. Nag-last stop na ako dun sa Madison Square Park, dun sa may first Shake Shack. And dapat after nun, pupunta pa ako ng NYU, ng New York Public Library, pupunta pa ako na Bryant Park, Grand Central Park, Met, MoMA. So hindi ko na napuntahan lahat yun guys, kasi nga ayan o, kita nyo naman, walang tigil ang ulan. Walang tigil ang ulan guys. So, I'm going home, ibang araw na lang yun. Extended naman tayo dito sa New York. Okay, bye bye.